Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Ferrari V8 Grand Touring Motorhome in a stunning pearl white finish, a vehicle that redefines luxury travel. Its sleek aerodynamic exterior, combined with Ferrari's signature V8 engine, makes it not just a motorhome but a high-performance machine. Starting at around $2.5 million, the white body, polished chrome accents, LED headlights, and sporty alloy wheels create a futuristic yet classy presence on the road. Step inside, and it feels like a luxurious penthouse on wheels. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions. The kitchen boasts premium appliances, spacious countertops, and intelligent storage for effortless cooking on the go, and the bathroom is fully functional, with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and elegant finishes. Every journey is enhanced with advanced infotainment, smart climate control, a retractable cinema screen, and a premium sound system. Combining comfort, style, and exclusivity, the 2026 Ferrari V8 Grand Touring Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a bold statement of lifestyle and ultimate luxury on the road.